Hello everyone, welcome to today's weekly watch list only video. I am the FOMO charts. It's Sunday, February 23rd, 2025. This is just the watch list for this day. Stock earnings releases upcoming. Domino's Pizza, Hims and Hers Health, Home Depot, Lowe's, Nvidia, eBay, SoundHound AI, and AMC Entertainment, just to name a few upcoming this week. USA economic data, we have preliminary GDP, unemployment claims, core PCE, and G20 meetings as well. And the news, stock market earnings season continues. President Trump is planning to reveal more tariffs, potentially 25% auto tariffs, pharmaceutical and semiconductor firms, which may face tariffs above 25%, rising over the year. Auto tariffs to begin in early April. So now we're getting pharmacy and semiconductor chips and auto tariffs in the next 2 months. We also have mixed corporate earnings reports also causing volatility in the stock market. Some sectors losing momentum, especially tech sectors and stocks. For crypto, Bybit crypto exchange was hacked for $1.6 billion Ethereum. However, later the Bybit CEO said they have stablecoin reserves to cover customer withdrawals, and the sell-off subsided and stopped the next day. Coinbase CEO last week reminded people on X social media that cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and meme coins have existed for many years. However, some meme coins have recently gone too far with potentially illegal activity and insider trading. I'm paraphrasing what he said. And another meme coin news, this is more of a warning that Kanye West is reportedly launching his own meme coin next week called YZY token. So beware of scams, loss, risk with all meme coin tokens, coins, and meme coin exchanges. Just beware of the rug pulls, of the bots sniping the coins, buying and selling, and somebody could lose some or all their funds in meme or crypto trading. That's all the news and list for this week. I hope you have a good week. Remember, position sizing, risk management, strategy, execution, and emotional control. Just patience, waiting for our next setup and news. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video.